from iSmile Designs, and this is a video tutorial on how to add products to your Wix site, so please stay tuned.
So in the dashboard, click the store products. Then located to your right is a button called new products. Click that. Then click physical. Now in the untitled product, we are going to title the product. For this example, I'm going to call it a 5x5 closure. Then click add image. And in the image section, I'm going to click the closure image. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will create a collection where I will place this closure in. So click the create collection button and title your collection. So this would be closure, and then press the check. Then I will go down to the price, which will be $55. Then down in the description, I will add any old description just for the just for this example. You could write anything that will entice your customers to buy your products. This is important, but like I said before, this is just for the example. I'm just writing any old thing. Now, once you have finished the description, go down to product options. Right under the custom text, and click add options. So you could call the options anything you would like. I've added sizes, but I've later changed it to lengths. And yeah, you just add the options of your product. For this case, because it's a closure, I've added the lengths of what the closure would come in. As you can see, I changed the name here. Then I just add each length. So once you're done with adding the options, just click on the button add and you switch to the manage pricing and inventory switch. Now this is where you do math. A pop-up for the variance will show, and for each options you will have to multiply the difference between the base product to your option that you're selecting. So for in this case, we don't put anything for the 10 inches, but for the 12 inches, we'll add it by 10 because it's the difference, the price difference between the two is $10. And now for the 14-inch, the price difference between the base and the 14-inch is $20, and so forth and so forth. So you could change that to any price. If the price difference is not multiplied by 10, that's fine. You can just use your calculator and find the price difference between each option and to your base price. So yeah, just do your best with the math. And then we scroll down to the bottom to see how it turned out. Everything is correct, all the prices is right. So now we just go up, check everything else, everything looks okay, and we select save. Now we're going to go to the website to see how it turned out. Now our product is available on our site, and we're going to check the options to show that it works. All of our options are there, and yeah, that's it. This new product is now available on the site. So I would like to thank everybody for watching, and please subscribe, comment, and like our videos and our channel for more content like this. Just stay tuned, and thank you for watching again.